Morning! Yeah,
Hey.
fine, thanks. You okay? Hiya guys, a bit cooler this weekend, isn't it?
So much nicer.
Yeah, it is. It's
The cakes will survive this
yeah,
weekend.
yeah, we'll survive, and the cakes will survive as well. So we've got some real nice bits and pieces on the counter. One of my personal favourites, two of my personal favourites.
Viennese is good.
Yeah, Viennese whirls and carrot cake.
Yes.
So my all-time favourite. Well, they're all my favourites, but some favourites are more equal than others.
That's a long-winded speech, isn't it? Basically, Trev loves those cakes. The carrot cake is the same recipe I've used for a long, long time. Everybody's after the recipe, but it's a secret, isn't it? You can't share it quite.
Top secret.
So many people want it.
Yeah, top secret.
And it has a lovely cream cheese icing, which I know a lot of carrot cakes have, don't they? But it really sets it off. It is lovely. Very popular here, so that's a nice one to have on the counter. Pretty with the flowers on the top too.
Beautiful.
Yeah, and the Viennese whirls have our own homemade strawberry jam that we made this week. Oh, I can't get my words out either. It's not a good start, is it? Yeah, so that's the strawberry jam that we made with the strawberries from the farm shop.
We made some jars of strawberry jam. We were going to sell them on the counter, but we've only ended up with about how many jars?
It was about 8, so it wasn't very many.
Yeah,
and we used
about
a few up in the baking.
Yeah,
so
we might just use them
in the cakes.
in the cakes, and then we've used our own strawberry jam then.
Yeah, it'd be lovely in a Victoria sandwich, I think.
Yeah.
Banana, chocolate chip and biscoff loaf, which is very nice.
Morning, Hayley.
Hi, Hayley. Like your new hair. Your hair looks lovely.
Are you recording?
Yeah, but not on you, it's on us, so you're alright. Yeah, you can come over. It's fine.
You can come over and say hi.
I got you. Do you
Hi,
want
Hayley.
some?
Your hair looks lovely.
It's really nice. Suits
It
you.
takes a lot of training because it just wants to go.
Oh yeah, mine does that.
So it's
No, it looks nice. I like it. Turn around. See? Oh yeah, with
Beautiful.
layers too. That's nice. Lovely.
She looks like she's just stepped out of a salon. First customer of the day.
Anyone that's got a husband can relate to this, because this looks like something that Trevor's done. This is just to put 1 sugar in a drink.
So we got a young superstar in now, haven't we, Freddie?
Good, thank you.
Yeah.
We open this door or not?
No.
This is the beast.
Yeah.
Wow, look at that, it's bigger than you.
Yeah, my new one.
That's brand new, that.
I rode it yesterday for the first time.
You rode it yesterday for the first time, and now you're going to go and compete in what?
The World Championship.
Jerseys for the team. Big board.
Oh yeah, look. Zoom in on that.
Yeah.
What do you have to do? Hold it up or something?
Yeah, you have to look at laps, time.
How long have you been coming here?
Since the first day you...
Stand.
Oh yeah, it's
Stand.
Fred's grown, yeah.
What's going on?
You know what? I've got a photo of when he broke his leg and we were here. I'll have to find it and then we'll...
No, but when he was like,
Yeah.
he was like there.
That's what these do.
Yeah.
Bobby Dazzler.
Eat Bobby Dazzlers
But I haven't really
They
grown.
make you grow.
and ride a mad motorbike as well.
Yeah.
So that's next weekend.
Next weekend.
So what's this? It's the what? The
Junior
actual.
World Championships.
Wow.
Yeah. There's five in Fred's group being picked from the UK, and then yeah, I've got to qualify on the Saturday, hopefully. But it is it's the whole, it's the world, not just Europe. So it's a big event. Yeah.
You go I shouldn't say you go steady, young man. You got to go hell
No,
for
we're
leather,
not
haven't
allowed
you?
to say go steady.
No.
That's what my mum says.
Yeah.
I
Be
say,
careful. Don't go
just
too
go
fast.
steady, and
Yeah.
I'm like, no, not go steady. Right.
Well done. Hi guys. Chris has been in today. He's bought some new stock in. I love these tin baths.
Spamming up session.
Chris has had a what session?
Spamming it up.
Spamming it up session. Tracy's being fitted up for a new cardigan.
Yes.
Very good. There you are, where's Brian's bottom? Well, this is Brian, that. Sat on it, look. Sat on it.
Hello. Funny, isn't it?
Well, I got to make coffees, I think.
Make a coffee. Right.
Here's some birdie latte art. Oh, get you.
I think I'm
Look
better.
at that.
I think I'm better at icing cakes, but
No, you're not. That's brilliant. She's
so much
great.
harder than you realise.
Yeah, it's fantastic.
It'll taste good.
Isn't she clever? Well done, birdie. What can't you do, eh?
I just wish we had a van that we could just shut the side down.
Come on, guys. Come on. Come on in. Come on in.
There you are. You'll be on the film now.
You'll be on the baking plate.
Aw.
Hey, we are in Leaf and Ground.
We've got the name
We've
back.
got the name then, yeah. We have our friends, Julie and Steve.
Very, very nice. As you can see. Decent house.
They're good teapots, aren't they? Talking teapots at the moment.
Back in the pot.
This looks lovely. I want both actually.
Today we are in Mevagissey.
We're having a short breakaway, so no cake counter this week.
No, we're not at the farm shop this weekend. So it'll be a bit of a different video anyway.
I'm conscious about talking, self-conscious and waffling.
Yeah. Second you get your camera out in a public place, somebody comes over, don't they, and just sort of
Sits down right by
sits
you.
right down by you, like.
Really awkward then.
Yeah.
Anyway, we've come on a short break. We haven't been to where we're staying yet. We're staying in a place called Charlestown, which everyone has said is beautiful. We've never been there yet. But
Watch
we
for our
will-
own walking because we're going down the slope
Yeah.
now. Carry on, yeah.
We will show you when we get there.
Yeah.
So we've just thought we'd come and have a little look around here while we wait to get into the accommodation. But there's some quirky little places, lots of like street foodie sort of places here, isn't there?
There is, yeah.
Selling
Yeah.
lots of lovely like fish dishes and stuff. It sounds really,
Can I?
really good. I can't
I don't
wait
know
to
if I've
eat.
been cutting your head off for the last 2
Just
minutes.
wanted- And we also found a very cool place to have a really good cup of coffee, didn't we?
Yeah. Was it called Cubs or something?
Cups or cube, I'm not sure, but I don't know. The coffee was good anyway.
Coffee was good anyway. Sorry if we got the name wrong, but yeah. If I do it that way round, that. If I do it at a slant, we can both fit in then.
Yeah. Well, where we had that coffee, I bet you could see in the mirror, couldn't you, in the toilet? I couldn't. When we had a coffee.
Strange thing to say.
Actually, you on about dipping that camera down on my head because you always moan I'm too short. It made
I
me
don't know. I
smile
didn't even notice the mirror was
well,
in there.
I couldn't even look into it. It was
Oh,
like
right. Okay.
2 heads above what I am.
Yeah. Right. Let's have a look round. We're gonna get some luncheon in a bit, aren't we?
Yeah. Guess what Trevor's after? True British style for Trevor. Fish and chips.
Fish and chips, if I can. That would be rather nice, wouldn't it? Come this way, Trace. You're gonna get run over though, won't you?
It's a bit risky round here, actually. Not only is there a risk of falling off the edge, if you survive that, then you're gonna get run over. It's quite dodgy, isn't it?
Open air, side by side we sway there in all the colors. Summer love,
you like the window seat, Trace?
Just people watch all day.
Well, we're staying in a place called Charlestown. So have I pronounced that right? And we're in a little cottage with a lovely window seat and an original bread oven that dates back to 1870.
Look at this. And there's loads of foodie places, literally.
So you can see the sea. Oh, we'll show you that tomorrow. I'll pan the camera around. The amount of places there are to have something to eat, you're not going to run out of anywhere, especially as we're only here for 3 days. So.
And very, very good coffee too. Like literally 2 minutes away. So we'll go there first thing in the morning and have a really good coffee.
Upstairs now, get a better view of outside. Such a lovely place. It's been raining all day and the sun is just starting to peek out now, but it's still raining at the same time, so it has rained on and off all day. That's a key there, and that pipe has recently started spewing water out at a fair rate of knots. Not quite sure why, but I suppose it's to get that water level up. Well, we've just fulfilled a bit of an ambition for Tracy anyway.
Food ambition.
Yeah, food ambition for Tracy, yeah. To go to the hidden hut in
Porthcurno, I think you pronounce it.
Yeah.
I could be wrong. I've wanted to go there for ages.
How long?
Years.
Long time ago. I remember seeing it years and years ago on Jamie Oliver, and it looked really, really cool.
It's just like a real. You'll see it. It's just like a shed kind of thing that they've kind of extended, I guess, haven't they, as they've gone along, and it's kind of like street food, but just like cooked in the best way, using the most local produce they can find. It's just lovely, isn't it?
Yeah.
Really nice.
We both had the darlie, and
really
yeah,
flatbreads
made with lentils, and it had really nice bits in it that give it a bit of a lift.
Crispy onions.
Yeah, pickled onions.
And crispy onions.
And crispy onions.
The bits that Trevor's
the bits, the scrapings.
Described so well by Trevor. It's just lovely. And then, yeah, we had a nice homemade ice cream afterwards, which is perfect.
Yeah,
really lovely.
really nice.
And we got the cookbook, so.
Yeah.
Not that they'll be doing any lentil darlies on the van, but
no.
It's just nice, it's beautiful. And the rain stopped, so it's really lovely. So we're just going to have a little look round the other side, aren't we now?
Yeah.
And get a cup of tea, that's what I need.
Stop barking, you lunatic.
Was that your dog growling earlier?
She's always growling. She spends her whole life growling.
I stood over there in the queue and I thought there's somebody heavy breathing around here.
No, it's just growling.
Like a constant.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Constant, yeah.
She's endless.
So many dogs, she's just.
No, come out the way. Come on.
Oh, what?
Go on then, off you go.
Have a nice day, guys.
Take care. Enjoy.
That's what I could hear. I thought it was going nuts.
Autumn breeze in a mug of tea. Sister's pottery made for me. Building a home
we're staying, the one with a little blue porch just there.
It's been a long time coming since your way to this life, away from the noise, knowing your solitude. It's been a long time coming since your way to this life, away from the noise, knowing your solitude.
It's our last day today, and we're just going to try and find a friend of a friend's cafe, which is on Fistral Beach
Newquay.
in Newquay. Does look good. What is this? Orange and cacao. So it's
Yeah, it's got some of the seeds.
Are you interested in that?
Always been.
Really?
we're in Newquay Harbour. We've just walked through the town and it's just bustling with noise and pollution.
How can you? You made me feel about 100 years old.
Yeah. We're getting old, we've decided.
Cup of tea.
Cup of tea, see?
Cup of tea.
Cup of tea.
We just watched a seagull, didn't we, Nick? Somebody's gingerbread man.
Yeah, little kiddie had gingerbread man obviously in a bag or something, and the seagull swooped down and stole the gingerbread man, but chased after it. The seagull stopped it and he got it back. So it's just paradise for us. Cup of tea on the beach. I'll show you what we can see. There's the seagull. And there's the lad, he stole it off.
That's me getting back to you. That's lovely. Been quite wishing for 6 months.
Well, thanks very much for watching. We've enjoyed making this video, haven't we, Trace?
Yeah, I always enjoy it.
We certainly enjoyed our few days away anyway, and back off home now. There probably won't be a video next week because we should be at the farm shop today.
Yes, so obviously we're not there.
So we may skip a week anyway. We may not, I don't know, but we probably will. So we'll see you in a couple of weeks' time.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Nice.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun.
Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no
You can also follow the Baking Bird UK on Facebook and on Instagram.